In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Ford Fusion. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford Fusion safely. You can now see your car's end link. It's common for the components being removed to be seized up, so don't hesitate to brush them and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 17mm wrench, unscrew the lower ball joint retaining nut on the sway bar end link. Use a 5mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. The end link connects the sway bar to the struts to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. Install it in the sway bar, then in the strut. Then screw the nut back on by hand a few threads. Screw the upper nut back on until it makes contact using a 17mm wrench. Use a 5mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. Screw the lower nut back in until it makes contact. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.